I know you're not still using ChatGPT to dispute the negative items on your credit report. When in the time it takes for you to create one letter using ChatGPT, you can have your entire month's disputing for all the accounts in your credit report done and sent to the credit bureaus? Nah. Now, if your credit score is trash, and that means if it starts with a 4, 5, or a 6, there is a new AI tool out there that's getting people crazy results. And unlike most softwares, we actually have proof. Now, we can either talk about the 4.7 star Google rating that we have with over 300 reviews, or we can go straight to the results that got us that 4.7 star Google rating by talking about customers like Sean, who achieved an over 400 point increase in just 2 months using this AI tool, or Yesenia, who in 4 months got an over 400 point increase across all bureaus, or Paul, who almost got a 400 point increase across all 3 bureaus in just 4 months, or we could talk about Angela, who yes, took 8 months using this tool, but still got an over 400 point increase across all 3 bureaus. And I can go on and on and on and on discussing the results of thousands of people who have been using this tool for almost a year, finding massive credit score success. But rather than be like every other influencer on the internet talking about just the results, let's talk about the product and how we got those results. You see, this AI tool is all encompassing. It doesn't just dispute with TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, but it goes deeper. It hits LexisNexis and Innovus as well. Now, when Mike the credit guy and I got together with our partners, we didn't want to stop there. We wanted to hit every single entity that we know needs to be touched in order to achieve massive success as fast as possible. So we gave this dispute engine the possibility to dispute with all of the third-party credit reporting agencies as well. I'm talking about ARS, LCI, Credco, Clarity, DataX, Microbill, Factor Trust. Now I know that that's more than any other software has ever decided to give you, but we still didn't stop there, because we know that if you're not dealing directly with the creditors and collectors themselves, you're still cutting yourself off at the knees. Now I know what you got to be thinking at this point. Okay, Jay, this thing can dispute with every single entity on planet Earth. But what if the letters are still trash like every other software? Well, we got you covered there too, because this thing is not only equipped with the ability to dispute in the normal factual disputing method, but it's been encoded to be able to dispute in Metro 2 compliance and consumer law as well. And you don't even have to figure out when to tell it to do it. It knows when to pick factual, it knows when to pick Metro 2, it knows when to go for consumer law. And should you want to, we are currently in development to give you the ability to choose the way you want to dispute at any letter that you want to dispute with at any given time you want to. Not only will this software do it all for you, but it even gives you the power to take the wheel yourself. What more can you ask for? Now, I know every other influencer on the internet is trying to charge you $2,500 to $5,000 for their secret method, or invite you to their secret paid mastermind group where they can hit you for $200 a month so they can give you a template letter kit just like everybody else. But no, we for the people over here. Because for the low price of $0 a month, we decided to give you unlimited access to our dispute letter software. That means if you have 50 negative accounts on your credit report, you pay $0 for the software. If you have 100 negative accounts on your credit report, you pay $0 for the software. Now, whether you use ChatGPT or M2 whatever, or Credit Versio, or some white label crap that some influencer is pushing, you're still going to need credit monitoring. Same thing with ours. So as long as you have access to your Beast credit monitoring service, you can use this platform for whatever you need. There's never been anything on the market like Dispute Beast, and just to prove that I'm not lying to you about how long it takes to address every single negative item on your credit report every single month, my man Mike the credit guy is going to take over showing you the setup, creation of letters, and mailing directly from the system to prove to you just how easy it is. Let's go.
Now, once you set up your account with Dispute Beast, it's going to ask you to upload a picture of your driver's license and a picture of a utility bill in your name. Make sure that all of this is current and up to date. Do not send them an expired driver's license, and don't send them an old bill from like 2019. Everything needs to be in the most recent 30 to 60 days. You're also going to have an option to upload a picture of your social security card. That's up to you, whatever you feel comfortable with. But understand, the credit reporting agencies are playing games right now, and they may ask for a copy of it. When you send it in with everything, that's going to show proof that you are exactly who you are when you send your dispute letters. Now you're going to hit the get started button. It's going to upload all of your credit reports, your scores. You're going to see all the negative items there. You're going to see your utilization, how many items are being, how many attack letters you've actually created, the total amount of deletions. Then you're going to hit this attack button, start attack. You can see it's already highlighted everything for you. It's pretty crazy. You can attack hard inquiries in here, but remember, it's going to let you know what to attack, what not to attack. If you attack something, it's going to send you a warning. All right, you see right here, disputing inquiries on your credit report. It's going to make sure that you don't fail. So this is foolproof. It's going to make sure that you do not make a wrong mistake, because that's what happens with people when they actually do credit repair. They don't know what they're doing. Then you just hit start attack. It's going to analyze your items, generating attacks. It's creating your custom attack letter for every single round. All of these letters it creates every round, you're going to mail all of them out. every single one of them. As you can see, it just created my letters. Now that's pretty crazy. You see TransUnion, there's 3 letters for TransUnion. You're gonna send all of those. There's gonna be another letters for Experian, the creditors. All of them are gonna be there. It's really crazy. So you can either download your letters or you can mail them inside of DisputeBeast using the mailing partner, which is crazy. But look at that. How many of these other softwares only give you 1 letter for every credit reporting agency? No, it's more than 1 letter that you need to send out. And then you scroll down, you can see there's the creditors, and then there's all of the other actual secondary credit reporting agencies. And then you can download your copy if you want to, or you can actually mail them in there. You see right there. It's just really just that simple. And then once you do that, you're going to actually see all of your letters. Then you can actually print them out if you want to, if that's what you choose. It'll actually give you the pictures of what your envelopes are supposed to look like also, making this process super easy. And remember, the mailing feature is 100% live. So you can actually mail your letters inside of DisputeBeast and you never have to print a letter out anymore if you don't want to.
Now, if you're ready to start your journey to better credit, what I want you to do is go to beastdiy.com or comment Beast down below and I'll shoot you the link. And remember, Mike and I are partners in this software. Every Thursday we meet with our partners and discuss ways to make DisputeBeast better. There's not another influencer on the internet that can make that claim. So when you support us, you're supporting people who support you. As usual, I want to thank you for supporting my content because I know you can go anywhere on the internet for your credit information, but you're here with me. Be blessed.